Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a drop-down block in your Shopify checkout page. You might have seen some Shopify stores uses drop-down block like this to choose some of the options available. So I will show you how you can create similar blocks in your Shopify store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using Checkout Extension Ninja app. This is easily available from the Shopify App Store. You can either download it from there, otherwise I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you have to click on create new block. I have already created one drop down block. I will be deleting this and let's do from the scratch. So on clicking create button, you will be showing some default templates with some different blocks. So either you can choose anyone from this, otherwise you can just close this and click on add block. Now we have to go to searching the block. So our block is dropped down, so you can see that the drop down block is showing here. So click on add to checkout. Now we have to give a block name here, so it should be a meaningful one. Otherwise you can just if you are giving a meaningful title, then you can just easily identify this from your list of a block. So I'm just giving drop down list block as the block name, and if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this. So what happens means, when this enable, this block will be appear only when the specific or given condition is met. So there are multiple conditions over here. You can see the list over here. So you can you can choose anything, and if you want this block to be visible always at the checkout, then disable this, so the blocks will be available without any conditions. And click on drop down. First thing, you have to give a proper title. Let's say like I'm just I'm just giving choose your delivery time as my title, and you can click on add new item. Here we have to give the list details, the parameters within the list. So I'm first giving the label as morning. So my first options will be morning, and I'm giving my time as 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let's say like that, and we have to store this value anywhere. So I'm just storing my value to morning attribute, and let's add one more option. So my next option will be afternoon, and I have to give some time also here. Let's go with 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., let's say. And the again we have to give the value to store anywhere. So I'm going with afternoon, and let's give one more option. It could be evening, and let's give the time, so 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So that's how it works. Let's go like this, and value always we have to give as evening. Yeah, I'm planning to give only 3 options, so we can store the attribute value to the time slot. Yeah, the setup is done. Now make sure that the status is active and save it. After saving, we will be getting some block ID here. So copy this block ID and open your checkout editor page. And we have to add the block to the checkout page. So click on custom block and add this to the checkout. And they will be asking some block ID. So paste the block ID which we have copied earlier in this field, then you can see that the custom blog has been created here. And go to the app section. Now we have to place this to the appropriate section. So I'm dragging this and I'm placing this to the delivery section. So you can just click on this and you will be showing the options which we have given earlier. So let's save it and test this up in our online store. Yeah, let's go to the store. Let's click on checkout. Now you can see that the blog has been created here. So that's how you can create a drop down block in your Shopify store easily. While you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.